everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about 4 basic rules for short and long vowel sound. So let's begin. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of them, 5 are vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. And the remaining letters are called consonants. Each of the 5 vowels have 2 main sounds, short sound and long sound. Short vowel sound means the phonic sound of the vowel. It does not sound like a letter, like a, e, o, a. And long vowel sound means the letter itself. Long vowel sound means the original letter sound, like A, E, I, O, U. Now rules for short vowel and long vowel sound. Rules for short vowel. Rule number 1. When a word has only one vowel and ends with a consonant, then vowel makes short sound. For example, jam, fish, vest, sand, etc. Observe the words very carefully. Each word has only one vowel, so the vowel makes short sound. Now rule number 2. If there are 2 vowels in a word and the vowels are separated by 2 or more letters, then they make the short sound. For example, umbrella, problem, magnet, pocket, helmet, tennis. Observe the words very carefully. Each word has 2 vowels and the vowels are separated by 2 or more letters. That is why they make the short sound. Rules for long vowel. Rule number 1. If the word ends with letter E after a vowel and a consonant in a one-syllable word, the E gives its power to the first vowel to make it as its long sound, and E becomes silent. For example, cap, cape, k, a, p, cap, k, a, p, cape. So when the letter E is at the end of the word, it gives its all power to the first vowel, and the first vowel makes a long sound and E becomes silent. Shh. Next, kit, kite, tub, tube, hop, hope. Now rule number 2. When there are 2 vowels in a word, the first one has the long sound and the second one is silent. Children, there is a catchy rhyme to remember this phonic rule. When 2 vowels are walking, the first vowel does the talking. It says its name and the second vowel remains silent. Shh. For example, rain, boat, wick, team, train, value, pie, tie. Observe the words very carefully. Each word has 2 vowels together. The first one has the long sound and the second one is silent. A, O, E, A, U, I. So these are the rules for short vowel and long vowel sound. This concept is very important for young learners. It can help students to read and spell effectively, which improve their reading skills. So if you found this video is helpful, then please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching video. Bye bye.